If bones could talk, what would they say? What mysteries could they reveal to us? What secrets do they keep? Could they give us clues to tell us who they were, how they looked, and how they expired? We live in an unpredictable world. Every day there is potential for both man-made and natural disasters to occur. The events that unfolded on 9/11 were sudden and unexpected. In the aftermath of the attacks, there were 2,977 fatalities. Many bodies were immediately recovered, but many were missing or unidentifiable. On October 22, 1983, the Marine barracks was bombed in Beirut, Lebanon. Over 200 Marines and sailors were lost in the blast. Some were later recovered from the rubble. Throughout our lifetime, we will experience some type of unexpected tragedy in some shape or form. Natural disasters, such as this tsunami that hit the Indian coast in 2004, came without warning. Many loved ones were lost and not found for days. People go missing almost every day as a result of an accident, crime, or natural disaster. When this happens, there is always someone left behind to bear the burden of the loss. Mothers, fathers, sisters, and brothers. And on many occasions, children. They are all left behind to pick up the pieces. So what do forensic anthropologists do? Forensic anthropologists are experts who are trained in analyzing skeletal material in order to confirm identity. They use specialized tools and technology to collect data from something as small as a tooth or bone fragment. Specialized tools such as spreading and sliding calipers are used to record empirical evidence such as distance, circumference, and length. This tool is an osteology board. It measures the larger bones of the body. These instruments can help in determining a person's stature. Forensic anthropologists also examine cranial suture patterns, which range from simple to complex, to determine ethnicity. Cranial apertures, such as the orbitals and nasal opening, can help in determining ethnicity as well. Suture fusion can also aid anthropologists in determining the age of the deceased. Aging can also be determined by looking at the degree of fusion of the palatal sutures. Anthropologists can also use dentition to look for features that may match the dental records of the deceased. The size, shape, and other features of the pelvic girdle can give anthropologists clues as to the sex of the individual. By analyzing the pubic symphysis, forensic anthropologists can closely estimate the age at the time of death. The auricular surface of the pelvic bone can also provide additional data on the age of the deceased at time of death. Sometimes the recovery remains are few, but forensic anthropologists can work with what is available. By looking for signs of bone trauma, they can determine the method or cause of death. Forensic artists are employed to reconstruct facial features using modeling clay. Facial reconstructions may help in the identification process. Digital superimpositions, a relatively new field in forensics, use technology-based overlays to orient a face on a skull by referencing certain facial features. Successful identification of the deceased can help bring comfort and closure to friends and family members. The healing process can now begin. If bones could talk, what would they say?